The Step-a-Logs comes as a set of 6 brightly coloured hollow plastic platforms that are tied together to make a stepping stone chain up to 4.5 metres in length. They combine that daring sense of tightrope walking along a narrow band, and at every 50 centimetres there is a step to the next one. 4 of the 6 logs stand at a uniform 10 centimetres in height, but the end logs are tapered to provide an extra element of balance. The rope connecting each one can be preset to a distance that is tuned to the ability of the children using them. Children will love to play on them indoors or outside, developing their gross motor, balance and coordination skills as they grow in confidence.